Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever had your Amazon account closed and you're wondering how to get it back up and running in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to reopen your account quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First off, why does Amazon close accounts? It could be due to policy violations like selling restricted items, suspicious activity, or even prolonged inactivity. The good news is that many accounts can be reopened if you follow the right process. But remember, success isn't guaranteed, so stay patient and professional throughout. Step 1. Start by checking your email. Amazon usually sends a notification explaining why your account was closed. Look for any messages from them in your inbox or spam folder. These often include instructions or a direct link to appeal. Next, head over to the Amazon website and try logging in. If you're locked out, don't panic. Go to the Amazon Help Center, which you can find by clicking on Help at the bottom of any Amazon page. Search for Account Closure or Appeal a Decision. This will guide you to the right forms. Now, for the key step, submit an appeal. You'll need to provide details like your account information, the reason for the closure, and any evidence that shows it was a mistake or that you've resolved the issue. For example, if it was a policy violation, explain what you've learned and how you'll comply in the future. Make sure your appeal is polite, clear, and concise. Amazon's support team appreciates that. After submitting, wait for a response. It might take a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the volume of requests. While you wait, double-check your account security by updating passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent future issues. If your appeal is denied, don't give up entirely. You might need to create a new account, but always follow Amazon's guidelines to avoid another closure. And hey, if you're dealing with this, you're not alone. Many people bounce back from it. That's all for this guide. I hope this helps you get your Amazon account reopened in 2025. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.